we know them now is like Apple Computers was one of my customers. I worked with Hewlett Packard. I also worked with the largest airbag company that pretty much flourished in result of an incident that happened with an accident. And I kind of made a name for myself because I was just curious. I was wondering, how can I create some type of legacy and by way of developing partnerships with my customers. And again, I started off with just not knowing much about the industry to being the top salesperson at Sealand Service to moving into an arena where I ended up overseeing global accounts and working with suppliers that were small in nature overseas, but big in nature once the company consolidated all their different products. For example, Nike. Nike in our world, we see the shoe, but in order to manufacture the shoe, there's several suppliers that go into making that shoe, and Nike develops those supplier relationships. And in result of developing those supplier relationships, they have to make sure their suppliers understand their specifications, have to understand their, the dimensions